Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is another haul, and it's also really special because we are having a little bit of a giveaway. So stay till the end. I will give you the rules and I'll show you what I'm giving away. This won't be the last giveaway, so definitely turn on those notifications so you know every time I post a video. And as usual, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because once you hit that subscribe button, we instantly become best friends.
Did we just become best friends? Yup!
So let me get right into this haul because it is a whole lot of stuff. One of the things that I was super happy to see at Dollar Tree, and my daughter already got to it and it's open, is this beautiful gift wrap. It matches me, I think. But I had a dupe video coming out soon and it requires this type of paper. And before I found it at Dollar Tree, I was looking at Michael's to see if they had craft paper with like the buffalo check pattern. I was looking everywhere and everything was online only. So I was really happy to see that Dollar Tree has the buffalo check. Yeah, buffalo check. The buffalo check gift wrapping paper. So be on the lookout for this. The next thing that I was really happy to see was this candle snuffer. This is so cool. Not only is it super cool, but it is extremely useful. I am really scared of fire, and I've done plenty of crafts on this channel that require fire. I've lit torches on this channel, and trust me, it is at a distance, or it's with like the longer lighters that don't require me to get close. So for those torches, these things are a good idea if you have tiki torches, or if you're just scared of fire, or if you have your candles around someplace that could easily, you know, catch fire, which you shouldn't, but this is a good way to put it out without blowing it out. This is a really good buy. Last week's haul, I remember I showed you guys my little reindeer that matches me because he's brown and he has a little buffalo check, and I think I decided on the name Randolph Jenga Munee. It is his full government name, and thank you guys so much for giving me your suggestions. All of them were amazing. I loved the people who said Jenga. So many of you had so many awesome names, and they're not going to go to waste because this week I got Randolph some friends. So I got him a little snowman. I want to say this is a dog. I'm pretty sure it's a dog. Either way, we don't discriminate, so he has a new little buddy here. And then this little bear who kind of looks like... Oh, okay, thank goodness. I thought they clipped his ears. That would have been super inhumane. So we have a little bear for him. These little plush toys are really cute, and they don't look like they came from Dollar Tree. They would look amazing on a gift. I love them. And we are going to decorate back here. I am going to change the decoration, but remember it's still fall, so my pumpkins are still appropriate. Speaking of lighters, I always purchase the Crocs lighters. These things come in so handy. Like I said, I'm really scared of fire, and if you have the candles that are really deep, super handy. I prefer these to the really long ones that they have. The generic version really sucks. So if you see these in stores, definitely purchase the Croc brand. Dollar Tree now has these tablecloths, which are a little better than the ones that they usually have, which are just paper thin. These are supposed to be Peva with flannel backing. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing this incorrectly, but they're a little thicker, and for me, where my crafting table is a mess, for painting and stuff like that, this is really handy. So I purchased 2 colors, and I think they have some cloth table runners now. I didn't purchase them because I really didn't like them, but I'm really glad that they're bringing in higher quality stuff. In the back to school section, I purchased this retractable pen. I always need a pen when I'm out in public. I write stuff down. I do use my notes on iPhone, but I like writing stuff down and I can never find it in my purse. So I love that this has a little hook on there. And then I also purchased these gel pens for my planner. I love color coordinating stuff, so I actually heard really good things about these pens. And some I'm just going to put together with little stationery gift baskets that I've been making, which you guys have probably already seen the video, but if not, I will link it in the description for my gift basket video. These snowmen are super cute, and I do have a craft coming up if I haven't already posted it, which I don't think because it requires a whole lot of dry time, but I think they're so cute. And you can use this in a wreath, or you'll see the craft that I have coming up with it. By the way, I'm so sorry if I sound funny today. I am definitely coming down with a cold, so my voice is all over the place. It goes from normal to really raspy, and I really don't want to cough on camera, so there's going to be a whole lot of jump cuts. By the cashier section, I found these Twisty straw lollipops. These are really cute for stocking stuffers. Stocking stuffers are meant to be tiny little things that can fit in a stocking, obviously. So I just thought this was a really good idea. And they come in really cool colors, and once you're done with the candy, you have a really nice twisty straw. So I purchased these 3 colors. They did have a lighter pink as well, but that package was open, so I didn't purchase that. But I will be adding these to gift baskets as well. I'm really happy that their mugs are starting to look a lot more authentic. They don't look as cheapy. So this week I found the Together is a Wonderful Place to Be. I absolutely love the floral print around it. I love the lettering. This one, usually it's a hit or miss for Dollar Tree when it comes to like their glassware and stuff, things that have print on it. But this one for me is definitely a win. And if you're doing a housewarming present, maybe not this one because it says Together is a Wonderful Place to Be, but mugs like this are definitely great housewarming gifts. Speaking of housewarming gifts, this is a bargain. This was $1, obviously, at Dollar Tree, and I've seen them for $10 in other stores. They're obviously different material, but still serve the same purpose. It is to put on your stove and hold your spoons while you're cooking so that your sauce and stuff doesn't get all over the place. And this is convenient, so if you see it, purchase it. I found these little wooden clips with rope. They had a multicolored one as well, but I really liked the all black ones. These can be used to hold pictures. It can be used for wedding table settings. There's so many things you can do with this. And before, these were actually pretty pricey. Now you can find it at dollar stores, but I really am loving the matte black color in these. By the way, they also do have wood ones. They didn't have it this time around, but I have seen the wood ones in stores. And they also have it at Target if you can't find it, but the Target one is $3. Dollar Tree is going ham with the Mercury glass stuff. And this week I found another Mercury glass votive candle. This is amazing, and it's actually a dupe for Pottery Barn. Pottery Barn has little votives like this, and I think a pack of 6 is like $29. So this is a nice way to get the look for just $1. Another candle that I really loved was this one. Just the details in it is beautiful. Like I said, I always purchase these for the look of things, to set up tables or for staging, never for the scent. There are very few candles at Dollar Tree that have surprised me with scent, and somebody did mention that the one that I hauled last week, the basil and thyme, smells really good. I tried it and it is amazing, so thank you for the suggestion. I wish I would have pulled up your name before making this video, but I'm sorry, you know who you are. Thank you so much, because I really do love the candle and I did purchase more. But back to this one, I just love the colors in it and looks good with a spa kit if you have these colors going on. This was probably the coolest thing that I've seen in their Christmas section. This is the first year that I've seen it, but it is a little twist tie thing, and at the bottom it has the little metal part so that you can actually pull down and cut off the piece of twist tie. So if you're making gift baskets, which I wish I had this when I was, this is super convenient to have. Also, if you're making little like homemade cookies and stuff and you're using the little grab bags, this is perfect. Or for certain ornaments that you just can't get to stay in place, also a good idea. I am really impressed with their art section. They have been totally stepping it up and getting better quality stuff. And this week I found this sketchbook. It says it is medium weight, suitable for pencil, charcoal, crayons, and pens. I love it. And I'm not the only one who loves it. They also have these graphite pencils, which I hauled a while ago. I wish I could find them because they're sold out online and in stores. And they're meant to go with these. I don't remember the brand. I'll pull it up somewhere. But if you have an artist friend in your life, buying these and the little canvases, there's so many things you can put together, and it is such a thoughtful gift because art supplies are actually really, really expensive. And I'm not saying this compares or their other things compare, but trust me, anybody who creates is very, very grateful for anything that is given to them. At least me. I'm not gonna go ahead and speak for everyone because some people are just a little snooty, but me, I am grateful when somebody puts thought behind what they're giving me. These pumice stones are actually really good quality. It is a Sassy and Chic pumice stones, and on the side it has these little ribs. I don't know what those ribs are for, but I'm glad that they're there because they don't hurt my fingers when I'm actually using them. So maybe they're used for your actual feet as well, but I'm glad that I can use them for my hands. I finally found the Doughnut Lip Glosses, and these are just great for a girl's gift, a little girl's gift, or just anything that's donut themed. They are doing a lot of themed things together now. So you'll see a lot of the donut stuff. Now they have these little like clutch bags or whatever they are. They'll have decals. They also have a lot of mermaid stuff together. So if you know somebody who's into certain things, it is a lot easier now to put those things together and make one gift than it was way back in the day when they would put one mermaid thing out. Now, 3 months down the line, put something else out. So I am loving what Dollar Tree is doing. In the Christmas section, I found more of the little wooden clips, and these have little Christmas trees on them. These have snowflakes. This is what I meant. You can use this for decoration to hold up pictures. You can even use this on a Christmas tree, but I love the quality of it. And if you don't want to use it for Christmas stuff, the Christmas tree and this, they're just felt, so you can always just take them off and just use them for the clips. I love this. When I saw it, I thought it was so cute. They have them in reindeer and I think a Santa one as well. And the best part about this is that this same brand is also at Michael's, but it costs $3. So if you can find this, purchase it. It is a lovely idea to tag a gift with it, or obviously if you have a little Christmas tree and want to put pictures of your family, also a great idea. But I was really shocked when I saw it at Michael's for $3, even though you can use a coupon, of course, but still, when it's the exact same brand and the exact same design, you know you're getting a bargain. I purchased a 7-day pill organizer, and I don't intend on using it for pills. I was thinking of just spray painting it and putting in my little earrings, especially when I travel. I lose little studs or the back part of my studs. So this is the perfect size to keep necklaces separate from earrings and little rings. It's not too big, it's not too small, and it's flat so you can fit it nicely in your luggage. In the cleaning section, I found the duster, and this is supposed to be a dupe for the Swiffer duster. I've seen so many people make really cool crafts using this, but unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna be doing that. I'm actually gonna be using it to clean because I heard it's really good quality. I also purchased these little shore scent thingies. I know that they have them in Christmas scents now, but some of those things drive me insane. I don't know if I'm the only one. Probably. There's only one Christmas scent that I really like, which is pine. I cannot stand the smell of cinnamon, so cinnamon pine cones drive me crazy. If I do get pine cones, I either pick them from nature or I buy them unscented because the smell of cinnamon is so overpowering. But I bought these in the Sunny Breeze and Berry. So I just like keeping this around in my bathroom to make sure that it smells nice and clean. These don't last a very long time, but if you have a really small bathroom, the smell is strong. If you have a really big bathroom, you're not gonna smell it. You're only gonna smell it in the area that you put it. And I usually put it right behind the toilet, which is where it's necessary sometimes. So I love them. So that's it for me. I really hope that you enjoyed this haul, but we are not done there. I did mention that I had a giveaway, and I am going to be giving away one of my gift baskets from my gift basket idea video. And the one that I'm going to be giving away is my crafter one, which is the one that has the most stuff in it. So all you have to do is 1, be subscribed to my channel, 2, follow me on Instagram at PBNJ. On my Instagram, I'm going to be posting a picture of the basket. All you need to do is go on that picture and leave a comment, any comment. On that picture, I'm going to put the details on when I'm going to announce the winner, and the winner is actually going to be announced on Instagram, so make sure that you are subscribed. It's going to be so much fun, and I probably am going to do another gift basket giveaway, so please turn on those notifications so you know what's up. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Out of all the videos on the internet, you chose to watch mine, and I am so grateful. Anyway, till next time.